Okay. So we have a stock Xsense XP04 smoke detector that has 120 and 9-volt power. This is the accessory wall mount unit that just provides 9-volt power in a wall mount plate, 25 feet of 2-conductor plenum rated cable, and this LED which tells you that the battery is low. This power supply is a stand-in for a typical 9-volt battery. So we'll set it at 9 volts first, and then we'll put it down below 6 volts, and that LED will come on. This attaches to the stock smoke detector with a standard 9-volt connection. And then tucks back into the stock battery compartment. Turn on the power supply, which is right there. Smoke detector is on.
We put it up at 9 volts.
Yep, we can put it at 9. So there's your typical battery, 9-volt battery voltage. And then when we put it down to 6, which is low battery, you'll see the LED on the wall plate turn on, indicating that we have a low battery. That's it.